A good compensation plan is designed to clearly show the path to growth, motivate and reward for activity along the journey, all the while being simple and easy to explain to others. And a good compensation plan becomes great when partnered with the belief in the company and what it stands for, confidence in the product line and the solutions they provide, along with the training, support, and recognition for efforts. This training lesson explains Avon's compensation plan. It is effective until further notice. Today, I want to make sure you leave with a clear understanding of these three topics. Know all the ways to earn at Avon, what the compensation plan looks like, and how you can work your business to set yourself up for success. Let's review the basics. As you probably know, there are many ways to earn income with Avon. Everything starts with personal sales commissions. Whether you are brand new or a seasoned representative, the key to earning income starts with acquiring customers and sharing your belief in our products. As you acquire new customers, you build a foundation to your business and a pipeline of potential business partners. Sharing the opportunity and sponsoring new representatives adds additional earning opportunities. As you teach others outreach and selling basics, you build your team, adding another stream of income as you move through our leadership program. Developing leaders is all about teaching best practices and supporting others to perform, consistently unlocking more income earning opportunities as you advance. In this training module, we'll dive into each of these topics and really define what it means to run a successful and profitable Avon business. In this first video, you'll learn about the personal sales commissions. The second video in this module provides you with an overview of our leadership program if you are interested in learning more about it. Let's start with selling products to customers, and let's first talk a bit about commissions. Commissions are based on your qualified sales level. We'll dive a little deeper into sales levels in just a bit. So you might collect orders from customers, and then you place these orders yourself. Your customers pay you the brochure price. Then, when you place the orders, you may be eligible to pay a discounted price. Your commission is the difference between what your customer pays you and what you pay Avon. You might also earn sales commissions when your customers place orders themselves directly through your online store. They will pay the brochure price, and Avon will pay you commission if you're eligible. As I mentioned, commission percentages are based on qualified sales levels, and as you move upward in sales levels, you are earning higher commission percentages. So now let's take a closer look at sales levels. As a contender, which is our entry sales level, you are eligible to earn commissions when your cumulative sales for an individual campaign are $40 or more. When eligible, you'll earn commissions of 25% for beauty, inner beauty, which is our health and wellness line, and jewelry, and 20% on fashion and home items. Your commission is the same, regardless if you place the order yourself or if someone orders directly through your online store. Your orders for the campaign period will be added together to determine your eligibility for commissions. Let's look at an example. You place an order of $20 on the first day of the campaign. You do not earn commission on this order since your campaign sales were less than $40. Toward the end of the same campaign, a customer places an order of $25 through your online store. You are eligible for commission on the second order since you have now met the minimum sales requirement for the campaign. Avon will reward your hard work when you consistently add to your strong base of customers and achieve at least $5,000 in personal award sales in the calendar year. You will then achieve the premier sales level and enjoy commissions of 30% on beauty and 20% for fashion and home, with no minimum campaign sales. This means you'll earn on every order, even campaign sales under $40. And once you achieve your new sales level, your new commissions are valid for the remainder of the calendar year. We just mentioned something that you might not be familiar with: personal award sales. This includes your personal purchases and your customers' orders. Almost everything you order from Avon counts towards your personal award sales, including sales aids such as samples, sales tools, products from What's New, and brochures. For more details, be sure to see Business Policies and Procedures for Avon Independent Sales Representatives. But let's not stop there. As you continue to sell Avon products to everyone you know, Avon will continue to reward your efforts. When you achieve at least $10,000 in award sales, you qualify for the President's Recognition Program and earn higher commissions. We have 6 different levels within the President's Recognition Program, and it begins with President's Club, often abbreviated to PC. At the President's Club level, achieved with $10,000 in annual award sales, you'll qualify for commissions of 40% on beauty and 25% on fashion and home. You'll earn the higher commissions for the order that puts you over the $10,000 threshold and for every order after that in the sales cycle. In addition to higher earnings, President's Club members receive special recognition and rewards. As you progress through the different levels, you'll see that commission percentages on beauty, inner beauty, and jewelry continue to increase. Your sales level is based on your award sales for the year, and the commission percentages remain valid for the remainder of the calendar year, unless you reach a new, higher sales level. Set your sights to be among the tens of thousands of representatives who achieve President's Club each year, and watch your earnings